Equate these buckets in one word, I would say is innovative. My name is James Finney, Director of Operations and owner of JFin TV Studios, which is an edutainment production company. So Equate These Buckets started as a concept that I wanted to add to an already existing program that we had called Lyrical Math. Lyrical Math is a data-proven, research-based math intervention program where we teach basic math through instructional hip-hop music. So I love basketball. I'm a community kid. I grew up in the Boys and Girls Club, created Equate These Buckets as a way to reach students where they are to get them where they need to be. What makes Equate These Buckets super different is nobody's doing it. We are the first to bring a game to market where we tie math equations under a clock with basketball. So when a student takes a shot, there's a lot that goes into that, right? I mean, the crowd is hyped, the staff is hyped, their peers are hyped, and then they have to take that math to the whiteboard where their teammate is waiting so they can write down the equation and solve for the correct answer to get the point. The biggest change I've seen in students who have gone through a game of Equate These Buckets is their engagement, their excitement, their willingness to learn. I would say Equate These Buckets is innovative because we tie culture to math. It's a win-win. We're looking to partner with any and every school and youth organization that is looking to reach and engage students in an innovative way.